ki khubor ki babnya ringut ki breu bakan thobi away pulit ka Assam Forest Guard kilayap kat ba arngut pat kila mensau jornak jisha siat haki pulit ka Assam haka senong mukro ka badai ke jaka kaput baha papo kemukayau constituency jang West Jante Hills District. Menteri rang ba Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma ulap nang jingalang bat ki kenhun baper ulap penrem jur ya kani ke jingja bat ulaang ba ka sarkar jela kan sekenduk bat menteri ketenat kampo yeng ke sarkar pedeng ban pensengau ya ke jing persya halor ke jingja ke senong mukro da ka ba ong ru baladap ban IFIR halor kene menteri rang ba ulap pensai ba katu ke jaka balaja kani ke jingja pasngau si kenang hap hapu pu sam jang ke Meghalaya. Usang ma ulada penlong jengekran Pak Menteri Rangba ke Assam halor kene bat ulaya tu ruba Menteri ketenat kampo yang kejela balik main rumbu lapoi hak senong mukro.
An unfortunate incident occurred at Mukro village in West Jante Hills district, where 6 persons have died due to firing by Assam police and Assam forest guards. As per the reports, a truck carrying timber was pursued by the Assam forest guards with the Assam police and was detained by the Assam police and Assam forest guards at Mukro village in West Jante Hills district. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. One Assam forest guard also died due to the fire. The injured persons have been shifted to Boroto PHC and Yalong Civil Hospital.